생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 쇼핑몰에서 물건을 찾을 때
Excuse me, I'm looking for this item.
Sure. Do you know which section it's in?
Not really. I saw it online and wanted to check it out.
No problem. What size are you looking for?
Medium, if possible. And maybe in a different color?
Of course. We have blue and black on the top shelf in aisle 3.
Great. Do you have this model in another brand?
Yes, we carry 2 brands. This one is our newest product.
I like it. But I don't see the price tag on this one.
Let me scan it for you. It's $29.99.